This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify on mobile. Start by downloading the Shopify mobile app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, you can either create a brand new account or log in if you already have one. Shopify offers a free trial, usually for 3 days, allowing you to explore all the features and functionalities before committing. This initial step is crucial for getting your mobile store up and running smoothly. Now, let's add your products. Navigate to the Products tab within the app. Here, you can add new items, including detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing. Organize your inventory into collections to make browsing simple for your customers. Then, personalize your store's look and feel by choosing a theme and adding your unique branding elements. Managing your business on the go is effortless. The Shopify mobile app allows you to view and fulfill customer orders directly from your device, ensuring prompt service. You can also efficiently track your inventory levels, helping you avoid overselling or running out of popular items. Real-time updates to product availability and pricing are just a few taps away, keeping your store accurate. To boost your sales, integrate various marketing channels. Link your social media accounts directly through the app to broaden your audience. You can also easily create and manage discount codes and special promotions to entice new customers and reward loyal ones. Finally, keep an eye on your store's performance and customer insights using the intuitive dashboard, helping you make informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.